In this video, we look at the assert statement, Python's built-in tool for checking that things are working the way you expect. The assert statement lets you write a condition and Python will check it for you. If it passes, nothing happens. If it fails, Python raises an assertion error right away. Think of assert like a ticket inspector. You hand over a condition, and if it does not check out, Python stops everything and raises an error, just like being turned away at the door. We start by defining a simple function called double. It takes a number n and returns n times 2. On line 4 we write assert, then the condition double of 3 is equal to 6. Python calls the function and checks the result. If it is true, nothing happens and we move on. You can also add a helpful message after a comma. If this assertion ever fails, Python includes that message in the error, so you know exactly what went wrong. When we run the file, both assertions pass because the function is correct. Python prints all assertions passed, no errors, no surprises. If the condition is false, here we wrongly claim double of 3 is 7, Python immediately raises an assertion error and shows the message. The program stops and the print line is never reached. To recap, assert checks a condition and raises an error when it fails. Add a message to make failures clear. It is the simplest way to start testing your Python code.